You're eating clean carbs like rice, potatoes, and oats. But what if they're secretly spiking your blood sugar, inflaming your joints, and stalling fat loss? Today, I'll show you 3 simple cooking tricks to transform any carb into a fat-burning, insulin-friendly superfood. Let's dive in. Most carbs aren't evil, they're just cooked wrong. Heat expands starch molecules, making them digest fast and spike glucose. The result? Insulin resistance, cravings, and stubborn belly fat. But there's a loophole. When you heat and cool carbs, their molecules reorganize into a resistant structure. Digestive enzymes can't break them down, so they bypass blood sugar, feed your gut microbiome, and torch visceral fat. Here's how to hack any starch. Cook it. Boil, bake, or steam rice, potatoes, oats, etc. Cool it. Refrigerate 12 to 24 hours, no shortcuts. Reheat right, low temps only, under 140 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve benefits. Don't nuke carbs on high, use 30-second bursts at 50% power. Add a splash of water to lock in moisture and starch structure. Sweet potatoes already fight insulin resistance. Cook, cool, then gently reheat with a double boiler. Their antioxidants and resistant starch team up to crush inflammation. Brown rice's outer shell, known as RS1 starch, survives any cooking. Cool it post-cooking, and you'll create a double-resistant carb that feeds good gut bacteria and blocks sugar spikes. Top 3 resistant starch heroes: corn tortillas, heat cool, reheat lightly. Perfect for low-carb wraps. Legumes, soak, cook, cool, never eat canned beans straight. Oats, skip overnight oats. Cook cool, then blend into smoothies. Avoid drying out carbs. Always add moisture before reheating. Pro tip: pair resistant starches with cheat meals like cold potatoes with cake to slash blood sugar spikes by 40%. Your turn. Try one hack this week and comment your results below. Hit like if you're done letting carbs control you, subscribe for more metabolic tricks, and share this with a carb lover who needs it.